Okay, so back again, and see, I really hate these car chargers, eh? They really like do nothing for you. So I bit the bullets, went to Mobile Express, and got me one of these. Okay, thing is mad heavy as well. So this is a solar charger power bank, 50,000 mAh. Apparently this thing can last like a week or so. Plus it's got solar, so you can really use it everywhere. So gonna try this thing and give you guys an update on how much better it is. But for in the meantime, we're gonna get rid of this thing. Makes no sense at all. I've tried many of these, they don't work. Apparently you can get more expensive ones, but I don't know. I think this is more sustainable, like they say themselves. Yeah, so we're gonna check this out. Nice. So these are like the solar panels, and that's the solar panel. And we got all these ports: USB micro, Type C, the standard USB 2 ports. We got Apple Lightning. Oh, okay, so we've got like 4 USB ports on this, and we've got the cables as well for various types of connections. Now we've got Apple, USB-C, USB-B. So I'll try to put it out in the sun, see what it does. Put it out in the sun. There's a green light showing that it's charging. It's out in the sun. So it's beautiful, guys. Yeah, so you can get this from Mobile Express. At the moment it goes like for $1.2. Very well made. Recommend it. Not disappointed yet. So last thing, try to connect it to the phone. Okay, there we go. That's the power bank by Green Lion. 50,000 mAh. It's gonna last a very long time. And the part I love the most is the solar panels. The panels that we got on it. Yeah, this is great. It's worth every single cent or kwacha here. Okay, cheers guys. So yeah, that's about it.